Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. This is the black and white shot, and I colorized yesterday and add colors, and I have this pencil drawing type image as well. Then today I'm going to work on this pencil drawing type image with this color image to get something impressive, something interesting image. Try to make something, well, creative image. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to change this blend mode. First of all, turn on this pencil drawing type image. Then let's see. Color burn. Since we have key light from behind, don't show the multiple color burn because dark lines, outlines. Luminosity, real subtle nice colors. Well, I'm gonna fix this image as a one layer, so select multiple, 1, 2, then duplicate layers. Now merge selected to get one layer image. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer, then one over the top, change blend mode to multiply. It gets darker, pretty interesting. Yeah, multiply and then merge down. Alright, this is pretty interesting. Okay, make some kind of illustration type image. This is gonna be the base image. I'm gonna move this luminosity effect layer, move down all the way bottom. Then let's see, this one is pencil drawing type image. It's blend mode, so I'm gonna this one bring back to normal layer, normal blend mode. Then turn it off just now. Then this is color, original color image. I'm going to tone down about 50. Now we see the original black and white now, so I'm going to turn it off. This one. Now we see through that luminosity effect layer underneath. Yeah, this is original image, right? Original color image. Maybe tone down to about 30 or so. Shows more illustration type image. And let's see, if I move this black and white original over this, then turn it on, change blend mode to emphasize colors, densities, I think. Kind of pretty cool. Effect on her hair and dark background, pretty interesting. Overlay a little bit, gives more contrast. Okay, turn it off, just keep it. Then this one, this is original color image. Now it's 30% to show some illustration type image. Now this is pin light. Kind of interesting background, isn't it? Pin light effect. Then if I change this one to okay, how about I kind of like outside is pin light 100. So I just want to fix this image to keep it. Select multiple. 1, 2, luminosity effect. So I'm going to duplicate layers. Now merge selected. This is pin light effect, right? Then turn it off to keep now. Then I'm going to move this original image, bring back to normal, 100%. Move under the luminosity effect layer. Then this luminosity effect layer. Let me see, change blend mode to, okay, I want to show her beautiful, so I guess color burn. Yeah, she's nice on color burn effect. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then one is just normal, because this is the original base image, right? Just leave it here, then turn it off. Now this is the luminosity effect layer, base image. Then I'm gonna make mask. This is color burn effect, create empty mask. Now invert mask. Then mask it soft round opacity with 100% white. Okay, reveal to show her nicer. Okay, I guess this much is fine now. Then this one, this is luminosity effect layer. Turn it on. Okay, this is the base image I want to show very last time. So just turn it off now, and I want to see this image. This is full background, pin light effect layer, which is real interesting background. Okay, create empty mask. Now I'm gonna hide. Well, in this case, okay, I'm gonna invert mask. Cut mask, create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I want to show background, so I'm gonna reveal this. Change brush to, well, basic to soft round size flow. Okay, now I'm gonna move this last luminosity effect layer. Move up, turn it on. Oh, I'm gonna make mask, create empty mask. Then now I will reveal dry media to pastel square. Now let me see these images. Change blend mode. This pencil drawing type image just darken, so we can see through underneath. And black and white original image, I'm just turn it off. This I don't see this. Now this has mask to show more illustration type image. Then this one is, it's not effect much yet, and we have this mask on the background. So I'm gonna move this background pin light effect layer, go over this luminosity effect layer, so we're gonna get so much. Then I'm gonna add some mask. Well, copy mask. Then how about, okay, I'm gonna add one layer, a little bit complicated. I'm gonna make a white layer. So this is 100% white. Just fill in this layer, pixel layer, then paste mask. Now we see on this, right, which is this mask is for effect only the background, pin light effect layer. Now this one is mask for this pin light effect. So which is, this one is backlight image. Alright, now I can, let me see, just leave it this way. Then same time effect, this one is just leave it this way to show background of this layer. which is saturated back. That's right. Now we are looking at this pencil luminosity effect layer overall, and this one is looking down this base image, right? Okay, now I'm gonna review this, hide, to show some around here. Pastel square, now it's gonna show this effect. Okay, they're very complicated. This one is, again, there is a mask. Hiding so much. Then this one is, oh wait a minute, this is luminosity effect layer. Oh, different. This one is color burn image. This one shows model's face nicely. This one. Okay. Well, let's see. I don't know if I can paint on this, or maybe this. Oh no, this one doesn't matter. This is pencil drawing type image, darken. So I think I need to paint on here, huh? And what I'm talking about, I'm just painted surrounding. I don't want to see this. Okay, I'm gonna touch up. Very complicated. This mask work. Which one is mask on which image? That's real hard to figure out. Now I'm working on this mask, but we have this mask too. Yeah. So we're gonna okay, I'm gonna paint on this layer, I think. This one goes, oh no, I don't need this. I mean, oh, goes darker, huh? This is dark line. How about this one? Oh, this one shows. Okay, this is base image. So I should paint on here too. White. 100%. Let me see. That's right. Now clean up. Finally. Then I also I'm gonna make some white image. Okay, how about we should add layer, otherwise we can't go back. If I add layer to paint on, we can go back anytime, just delete or something. Okay, in this case, now, okay, over this image, I'm gonna add layer. Let's see, then paint on white. That's maybe easier way to. So, okay, then I'm gonna move this layer over this white layer. How's this? Or maybe go all the way top. Right on. This is it. Yeah, in this case I can hide, or I can make border outlines. Alright. Okay. Well, I guess that's about it. I don't know if I can explain to this. This is pencil drawing type image. Okay, I'm gonna make mask. Create empty mask just on her face. Dark lines on her face, that's all. Yeah. Okay, just overall dark lines on this pencil drawing type image. Then I'm not using black and white original image. Okay, this is original color image. Then I add base images, luminosity effect layer. This one is color burn, this one is normal. So I show you this normal image, this one. This is a luminosity effect layer as a base. And I made a mask like so. So we see the image underneath. And also I add this color burn, same luminosity effect layer, but change blend mode to color burn to add model's skin tones nicer on this color burn image, a little bit darker. Then I add this pin light effect layer with mask. That's hard to tell how much. Well, and I add pencil drawing type image, just darken. We see some outlines. Then I add white layer over the very top to just makes white border. That's it for today, and thank you for watching video, and I really appreciate for you guys support, and I hope this complicated movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, changing blend mode and adding using mask and real complicated this time. Well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Yep, that's it. Thank you.